Hello everyone. Job Router is back again with another amazing update. This update is about Wipro. Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt 2022 NTH is a freshers hiring initiative to attract the best of 2022 engineering talent across the country. Do you want to enroll in this talent hunt? Then surely you can do by clicking the registration link below and getting registered yourself. But first, let us look at the eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria in education. You should have 60% or above in 10th and 12th standard. In graduation, 65% or CGPA equivalent to 65% or above is applicable by the university guidelines. Only full-time courses. No part-time or correspondences or distance learning education in either 10th or 12th or degree. Year of passing should be 2022. Qualification should include BE or BTech compulsory degree, ME or MTech 5-year integrated courses. Branch of study. All branches are allowed except fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology. Designation is project engineer. Compensation would be given INR 3.5 lakhs per annum. Service agreement is applicable for 12 months post-joining at INR 75,000 on pro-rata basis. Other criteria are: 1 backlog is allowed at the time of assessment stage. The offer will be subject to all backlogs being clear. 2022 max 3 years of gap in education is allowed, 10th to graduation. Should be from a full-time degree course recognized by the central or state government of India. All arrears and backlogs need to be cleared at the time of selection process. Every eligible candidate must go through below online assessment, below details appended for your reference. Online assessments would be of 128 minutes comprising of 3 sections. Aptitude test, which includes logical ability, quantitative ability, English or verbal ability. Duration would be 48 minutes. Written communication test will include essay writing and duration would be 20 minutes. Online programming test, 2 programs for coding will be included. Duration will be 60 minutes. Candidates can choose any one of programming language. For coding test, Java or C or C++ or Python. Last date to apply is 15th September 2021. Online assessment will be tentatively held between 20th September 21 to 27th September 2021. It is entirely the responsibility of Wipro to permit or limit the participation of each candidate in the Elite National Talent Hunt 2022 recruitment process. After clearing the online assessment, candidates will have to go through a business discussion round. मैं एक बार आप सभी को फिर से बता दूं कि लास्ट डेट अप्लाई करने की है 15 सितंबर 2021। तो अगर आप इस टैलेंट हंट में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं तो अभी के अभी अपने आप को रजिस्टर करवा लीजिए। For more latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to Job Router. Thank you.